From spring to fall, we're doing yard drainage. Last year we went right up to Christmas, and this year we're just going to go until we can't get a shovel in the ground. It seems like now that we raised awareness, more and more people are calling for yard drainage. French drains, sump pump discharge lines that are not working properly, the list is long. Downspouts, underground downspouts, torrential rain kits to help the roof run off water, deal with the sheet water off the roof. It's just fantastic to see homeowners that are taking the responsibility of caring for their house properly, not letting their foundations deteriorate, and probably what's their biggest investment in life, their home. Drainage combo packs are the best way to go. Get a downspout system, all your roof runoff water, you want to run it underground and get it to the storm drain, out to the front ditch, the back creek, wherever you're discharging your water. You want to get rid of that water. You don't want it trapped between the two homes. I see it all the time. And bluegrass is really nice, lush lawn. It's your reward for having a really nice thick lawn is you can't get the water out of it. So these are the things that we're doing for homeowners now. We're going and we're doing the roof runoff water. We're controlling that with a system, and then we're doing French drains, and we've done plenty of sump lines while we also are there taking care of the yard water issues. So homeowners are taking advantage of us being there with the plywood on the ground, what it takes for us to get all of our equipment to the site. It's best for them just to roll everything in, not have us back next year and then the following year. If you break it up, it's just going to cost more. And don't worry if you don't have a storm drain or a ditch or a creek to take it to, because we'll use one of our lift stations, one of our sump pump systems. You've seen us install these pits that are 4, 5, and 6 feet deep. Whatever it takes, we'll get the water out of your property. We will protect your home. So we're going to see some of the high octane in action during rain. The guys were in the middle of a job and the system was already flowing water and it was half in. So that was pretty cool. Thanks, Scott, for that. And one of our lift stations on Lake St. Clair, it's moving so much water. We're just recirculating lake water over there, but we're saving people's homes. So this happened to be a really deep, blow molded, one-piece lift station, and we had 2 half-horse Liberties just moving all kinds of water, and there were several pipes feeding it. So DIYers, you can work till the ground freezes, but I can tell you from experience, you want to get your systems in now, because with fall here and the weather cooling down, the wetness is just going to get worse. The cooler temperatures, the increase in precipitation makes it harder to do the install. So DIYers, this is last call. I would definitely put together your shopping list, get your stuff together, and get out there if you haven't done it already. And as far as homeowners that still are looking to get this done before the freeze, I wouldn't wait long, I'd call. And if you're in the Metro Detroit area, give us a call.